Did you know you could buy a lightsaber? Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look like a lightsaber on TikTok Shop. I didn't know you could buy a lightsaber. I thought I was buying a tripod selfie stick, but no, I got a lightsaber. Let's check it out, see how it works both as a tripod selfie stick and maybe as a lightsaber. I'm so ready for it. Ready? Whew! I'll tell you what, this thing is beefy. Look at this. Look at all the stuff. Oh, this is definitely like, Luke, I am your father. This could totally be. This is one healthy item here from TikTok Shop. Has instructions on how to use it. Let's see how this goes. Oh, okay. We got the tripod part working. Let's see what we got to do to get the selfie stick part working. Tripod part actually has a piece of aluminum on it. That's pretty darn impressive, I have to say. Let's go like this. Let's put the phone on it. Like so. Okay, no doubt that's nice and solid. It's kind of huge for traveling with, I will say. Let's see how this works. The button for it, I think the key is, because I'm sending my wife to Europe with this, she has to be able to use it in 2 seconds on her own. So let's see, Bluetooth, search for new devices. Do I see something that looks like a selfie stick? It says tripod, phone tripod. I see nothing that's looking like that. Let me read the instructions. Let me hold this button down for 5 seconds. Does that maybe do it? Nope. I'm gonna do, it says install the battery. Plus side up, got that. It's installed. Scan again. AP shutter. Oh, pair. Looks like it's paired. All right, let's do this. Let's do this together for the first time. Let's pretend I'm the beautiful Miss Nikki in Europe with her friend. Look how messy the garage looks there. Okay, we're on vacation. We're in Europe. Let's take a couple pictures. Oh yeah, that works perfectly. That works perfectly. How cool is that? That is super cool, and I do like that it's like really nice and big and stable. So if you wanted to do like a horizontal picture, which I certainly do prefer, much better, that works also. And then let's try one other thing. Let's actually try to use it like a selfie stick. Slide this up. Doesn't sound appropriate at all. Extend that. Ooh, this is nice and solid. Although, oh, there we go. There are a lot of things to loosen and tighten. I mean, I think that's a good thing in terms of flexibility and doing things. All right, well, let's try one more. Ready? Oh! Okay, this absolutely works. So I have to say, I have bought a piece of equipment that is really a pretty nice piece of equipment on TikTok Shop, and I'm quite happy with it, and I'm sure Nikki's gonna be upset I've taken 10,000 pictures of myself with it. Overall, if you're looking for a selfie stick, like a more substantial selfie stick, right? Something that can be used as a tripod, has more functionality than just a basic little selfie stick, this is definitely a way to go. Yeah, this thing's kind of cool.